So we're at the Definitive Technology booth today. I know they're showing off a really cool system here. I'm with the head of engineering, Matt Lyons, and the head of design, Michael DeTullo. Guys, talk to us about what you're doing here today.
Well, we're super excited to have our US debut of all the wireless collection for Definitive Technology. As you know, for the last 20 years, Definitive's been a leader in technology in the audiophile space in every category it's played in. And we're really amped to kind of bring this technology to wireless in a way that really represents the Definitive brand, right? The sound for Definitive has always been really crisp, clean, precise. We're reflecting that really clearly through the industrial design here. Lots of machined aluminum and machined steel elements. This is the W Studio. This is really beautiful machined aluminum UI here across this large format bar. It puts out a lot of sound. And then as we get into the W7 and the W9, the bases are all machined and extruded aluminum with these machined cantilevered UIs here that really kind of show off the engineering prowess that design and technology and engineering have together. And so, I mean, for us, we're just really amped to be talking about it here today.
Yeah, they're beautifully designed products. Matt, talk to us about the engineering, the sound quality of the products. What makes these products special?
So one of the things we wanted to do when you're talking about a single box solution for a loudspeaker, the question is, how do you fill up an entire room? Of course, Definitive is famous for our bipolar sound and how we can just envelop you in a wonderful sound field. So what we did here is we actually developed our tripolar technology, and both of these designs actually have not only a full complement of transducers firing forward, but also to the side. So basically, if you're over here, it's going to sound natural and have great timbre over to the other side. So that was a critical part of bringing that level of performance to this form factor. Of course, additionally, in wireless systems, you need great synchronization through multiple rooms. You need to be able to select whatever source you want. And so we're also utilizing the Play-Fi technology to get that high performance, high resolution musical experience.
So that was going to lead me to my next question is, you guys have obviously supported the Play-Fi platform. Talk to us about what you see as the benefits here. Why should a consumer consider Definitive Technology as opposed to some of the other offerings today? Maybe Michael, we'll throw this over to you.
Well, I think at the very top level, the biggest reason is that Play-Fi is an open platform, right? So it allows multiple speakers to be connected on the same network, and we believe that's just a better user experience for someone, so that the system kind of grow with them over time. They're not locked into a particular type of speaker if they feel like a particular type of speaker is better in their kid's room versus their living room. And so a tremendous amount of flexibility for the user. And then there's a bunch of really nice technical benefits I think Matt could talk to in terms of transmission as well.
Right, so it's a system that has lossless transmission. Whatever format goes in the system comes out. You're not re-encoding and decoding, so you're really not, screwing up the fidelity. And that's, of course, at Definitive, that's what we're all about, right? We're all about saying, let's get you pure, clear sound.
And the price points of these particular products are?
Okay, so this is the W7,
Yep.
is $399 retail. The W9 is $699. The W Studio is $1299.
Okay, great. And is it just these three products, or do you have other products like amps and adapts and things like that?
No, absolutely. We have both the amplifier, the W amp, and the W adapt. So if you want to use our wireless system with your existing receiver and component loudspeaker system, you can absolutely do that. And we also have with our W amp, we have a solution where we can optimize the signal processing for each and every one of our component loudspeakers. So in other words, you hook up a Definitive outdoor speaker to the amp, it sounds even better.
Oh, that's really cool. Anything else you guys want to talk about on these particular products today?
I think in general, just the last thing I'd like to hit on is that we designed each one for kind of a different use case in the home. So obviously the Studio meant for the living room, kind of the entertainment hub of the home, if you will. And then the W9, a really large, powerful system, great for like a den or a large home office or a master bedroom. And then the W7, much more compact, great for a smaller auxiliary room, or some spaces that might be a little bit tighter, where like a kitchen, where countertop space is at a premium.
Okay, great, thank you.